Welcome to Seeding Our World, LLC. African yam bean, Spenostylis Sphenocarpa, also called the potato bean, is a currently underutilized crop that is projected to have a large impact on developing communities. The African yam bean, as of the production of this video, is almost exclusively cultivated on the African continent, specifically the more tropical central regions. In wild settings, it can primarily be found within grassland, savanna-like ecosystems, areas where the primary substrate is more sand and gravel based. African yam beans within more tropical locations may act as a self-seeding perennials, provided soil conditions are ideal. Otherwise, given the shorter growing seasons in most of the North American continent compared to that of Central Africa, the African yam bean will most likely act as an annual crop needing to be re-sown year after year like many domesticated crops. The African yam bean has a lifespan of approximately 300 days. Throughout this lifespan, one may harvest various portions of this plant as it will continuously produce new growth above ground, so long as adequate resources such as compost or fertilizer are provided to it. The mature seeds or dried beans can be consumed like common bean, Phaseolus vulgaris, or cowpea, Vigna unguiculata cultivars. Simply soak the beans in water for an hour or two, rinse with fresh water, and then boil and cook as needed. The immature seed pods can be boiled and cooked like the immature seed pods or green bean, Phaseolus vulgaris cultivars. The leaves are usually boiled or steamed, and then are often sautéed in oil with assorted seasonings or fried. The roots or tubers of this species are typically prepared as the name implies, like that of yams, Dioscorea, or potatoes, Solanum tuberosum. African yam beans provide a great amount of protein throughout the entire plant, including within the rooted tuber. That being said, it could potentially be used to make an additive that contains said protein, which could be beneficial in a wide array of dishes. The African yam bean produces nitrogen like many other plants belonging to the fab-based Ca family. Thus, it can be a more than adequate companion plant to several cereal crops. This cultivar is semi-drought resistant. Overall resistance appears to depend on each individual plant and where they were originally collected from. It is resistant to a wide array of invertebrate and microbial pests that inhabit the North American continent, including several species that have the propensity to decimate more common legume-based crops. This video was brought to you by We Who Sow.